Hey everyone, so today we're going to be making soma yukihiras omelette souffle that he makes on in the earlier seasons during a time trial.
特製トマトソースとパセリ
But anyways, this seems like a pretty normal dish. The clip in the show doesn't like give a full thorough explanation, but even from some of the tutorials I've seen online, it's still a pretty simple dish to make. All it takes is literally just the eggs itself.
よし卵白泡立て卵黄に生クリーム塩コショウで調味確認
Soma yukihira uses whipping cream for some reason. They don't explain why. I've never seen anyone else use whipping cream. Maybe, but I don't remember why they used it. I've seen some people use sugar when mixing the yolk, but normally it just seems like all it takes is egg and a pan. That's pretty much it, just straight eggs. So obviously we have our full rack of eggs right here. We're not going to be using all of them, of course, because why? I mean, that's protein though. Probably just about 4 eggs. So for step one, we're just going to be separating the egg whites from the yolk because I know that's what you do. So let's get started on that. All right, I don't know how well you guys see, but I have 2 bowls here. We're gonna use this one for the yolks, this one for the eggs, egg whites, to be specific. So let's get cracking. I know the separation technique. You just you crack it down, and then you kind of just you let it all flow out. Oh wait, shit. Who? Oh shit. Shit. Okay. I kind of broke this one a bit too small, so the yolk kind of leaked. But anyways, actually, fix. I got fixes. He's a spoon instead. So what you do with the other piece of yolk, at least what I know, is that you just go back and forth between the two. You kind of just oh shit. Okay, that one kind of fucked, but I mean, it's separated a bit at least. I mean, yeah, that should do. Yeah, see, perfect. We're so we're so amazing. And now my hands are all eggy. Oh, that sucks. All right, we're gonna do this better next time. Watch this. Ooh, yes, look at that. Let it. Oh shit. God damn it. Okay. Yes, you have the egg whites, and then you go back and forth between the two, kind of just letting the egg whites come out, separating them. Yeah, there we go. Get more frame. That should be good. Put that in there. That that one went way better. Put that in there. Yeah, the yolk is still like even intact. I don't know if you guys can see that at all. I suck at this. Uh, I don't know if 3 is enough. I feel like 3 is enough, but just to be safe, maybe make sure it looks good. I'll go for 4. Oh shit, that was a very bad crack. Like just tore the whole thing. Fuck. See if I can just. Whew, let me just. Yeah. There we go. Try to keep the yolk in there. Fall. What if I just. Gotta fucking chop it up. That's good enough. Yeah. All right. That concludes step 1. On to step 2. we will now mix the egg whites until they are very fluffiness, just very fluffy. I sadly don't have an electric mixer, so this is gonna be by straight hand. It's gonna be very fun. Pull that chair just so I can be in frame. That way you guys get a better look at me just whisking this shit probably for a good couple of minutes. My head's probably gonna get tired after this. Grab out. Okay, so it looks like my whisk doesn't have a handle, so we're just have to push through. So as I said before, I've seen people put sugar in this for some reason. Maybe it helps with the fluffiness. So we're just gonna add like a pinch of sugar in ours, just like I've seen them doing theirs. So just a little pinch. I feel like that was maybe too much. I have no clue. Who knows? Maybe I'm gonna have some sweet ass eggs to be tasting. All right, whisking time. Whisking time. Whatever. We got a bit of a fluff going there. I don't know if you can see. Try to see if I can get on this camera. Yeah, a bit of a fluff going. I don't want it to spill out. This looks like pancake mix. When you go and make pancakes, it looks like that. Which isn't a good thing right now. Hopefully we can get it to like poof, just like a cloud. It's become like a clear white. It's more smoother now. It's still kind of like the pancake mix, but more smoother and less rougher than it was. I'm not gonna lie. Fuck that shit. I have at least half an hour footage of me just whisking. It doesn't look like anything you see in those tutorials. Look at this. I mean, I got fluff, but when you see the other videos, it's not like this. Final result after about 30 minutes of doing this. Let's just hope it works. All right, now it's time to mix the egg yolk with the egg whites. Apparently, don't completely overdo it. Take it slowly because then the egg whites can defluff, and we don't want that. All right, actually, I'm supposed to mix this. Actually, hold up. That was good enough, right? Yeah. So we're just gonna take this very gently and lightly. I'm just trying to defluff all of my hard work. Just almost 30 minutes of whisking. 30 minutes of my life gone. All right, pour the rest into there. So we're gonna just take it ever so gently. That looks good enough. So now I'm gonna take this to the pan. Yeah. Anyways, low heat real quick. We're gonna grab some butter real quick. Here, we're not gonna grab too much. Just shit. That's too little, I think. No clue. Just some slice off of that. put that bad boy in there. We don't want this sticking to the pan at all. You're gonna cook this at low heat as well, as I've heard. Shit, let me. So now, low heat. We're just gonna take this over there. Set it down, nice and gently. Oop. Kind of adjust it, fix it up, you know. Little pat pat. Look how wobbly that is. Then we're gonna cover it with a lid. We'll use this one, and we'll just pray, I guess. This seems to cover it. Yeah. So low heat, let that sit. Maybe I've seen a video say 10 minutes, 7 minutes. I'm probably gonna do 5 minutes. Be back in like 5 minutes, I guess. I'm just going off a smell. I don't want it to burn or anything at the bottom. So it's been around probably 4 or 5 minutes. So I'm probably gonna take it out now. So let's get a plate ready and plate this bitch. All right, we're gonna turn off that heat. Look at that. Wow. Shit, I was not expecting this to actually floof. All right. We have now entered the harder part, which is I must now fold it. Yes, this does not stay open. It doesn't just look like that. So, fuck, this is gonna be hard. I'm gonna use 2 for this. I don't want to fuck it up. Looks pretty good. We'll go from this side. So, kind of bring it back a bit. Shit, it might be too fluff. Fuck. Oh, don't break on me, please. Don't break on me. Please don't break on me. Oh, come on. Come on. Oh, don't leak. No. Yes. Yes. Shit. Move this shit. Oh, everything's in my way. All right. Lift this. And voila. Yeah. Look at that. Look, came out way better than I expected. I was expecting something just flat. It's not really burned, but I mean, you got a good cook on it. That'll do. But it's kind of deflated already a little bit because I was trying to fix the camera. But I mean, it still looks pretty good. But there we are missing something. Where'd I put it? We are missing soma yukihiras special sauce. But my interpretation of that sauce this time, because I can't make my own ketchup. Oops, shit. Yes, lovely. Look at that. I couldn't find my parsley, so we'll just have to live with that. It's time to dig in. Shit. I'd say the ketchup definitely does help. The fluff is interesting. Definitely though, if you want to make this, maybe you could add cheese or anything of some sorts. Common is cheese, but the ketchup definitely does help, like I said, because just the fluff by itself, I mean, it's pretty good still, but it doesn't have much taste to it. I mean, I also didn't put salt because I didn't really want to like eat some salt. So that just makes it even blander. But overall, it's still pretty good. And, you know, it's also, I would assume healthy because it is just like straight eggs. So I made 4. So there's definitely good protein in that and whatever other nutrients the eggs has for you. And it isn't a hard dish to make either. That whisking part was just miserable for me. But other than that, it's not that hard to make. It doesn't require any like extra items. It's simply just eggs. And it looks, if you can really get it to look at it to like its full potential, I couldn't do that. But if you can really get it to floof out and see like that, it'll look like a great dish to eat as well. It looks like something fancy. So you guys experience some fine dining and a simple home cooked meal. Well, I thank you guys so much for watching this. My dog at the bottom, I don't know if you can see him through the glass. But thank you guys so much for watching this. Can't wait to pop out another video. Hopefully you guys watch and continue watching for a very long time. Appreciate it.